Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add or show border and border color to a fillable text box using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a fillable text box and this text box border not showing and there is no border color. Now I will add border color and show border. Now click on this form option. Here you will find the select field option. As this. Now click on this text box and select. Now go properties option, this properties and properties dialog box. Click on this appearance option and appearance option. This is border option and click on this down arrow and this is no border color and simply select here any border color and border thickness I'll show medium and select close. Now click on this hand option and see this border color not showing here. Similarly, I will show this text box border. Select from option and click right button and select properties and properties dialog box. And do it similar way. You can add more color. Add this one. Close. Make it thin and select hand option and see this. In this way you can visible border and show border color. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable text box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.